Today we are making a simple and delicious dinner bowl. Pan-seared chicken thighs, crispy baked potato wedges, and a refreshing cucumber kachumbari. A balanced meal you're going to have on repeat. Let's start with the chicken. I'll be using 4 chicken thighs, but honestly, you can use any cut of chicken that you like. Cut off any excess fat or skin to keep them neat and to prevent too much grease while cooking. Place them in a mixing bowl, ready to marinate. Add 1 tablespoon of oil to help the seasoning stick, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice to brighten the flavors, and mince in 3 to 4 garlic cloves for that deep, savory punch. To season, I'll be using 1 teaspoon each of paprika powder for warmth and color, cumin powder for an earthy depth, dried oregano for a herby aroma, plus salt to taste, and freshly cracked pepper. Mix until the thighs are well coated. Cover and marinate for 1 hour as we prepare the potatoes. Peel your potatoes and clean them well. Depending on the type of potatoes and where you got them from, you can just scrub them thoroughly and leave the skin on. The skins add extra crispiness and a rustic feel. Cut the potatoes into medium-sized wedges. Transfer the wedges to a baking tray. Wipe them down to make sure they are completely dry. This will help them crisp up nicely in the oven. Drizzle some cooking oil on the wedges and rub it in until fully coated. This ensures even baking and prevents them from drying out. To season, I'm using 1 teaspoon each of onion powder for a subtle savory kick and coriander powder for a light citrusy warmth, 1 tablespoon of my homemade citrus herb seasoning for brightness and aroma, plus salt and pepper to taste. Mix until the wedges are fully coated. Bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. As the wedges bake, let's cook the chicken. To a cold pan, place the marinated thighs skin side down. This will render out the fat slowly, giving you that golden crispy skin. Let them sear on medium heat for about 5 to 8 minutes for a nice crust and deep flavor. Flip and sear on the other side. Add a splash of water to the marinating bowl, swirl it to create a light broth, and pour it into the pan. This will help deglaze the pan and infuse even more flavor to the chicken. Cover and cook until the broth is reduced and the thighs are tender, juicy, and cooked through. For extra flavor and richness, throw in some homemade compound butter. Let it melt and baste the thighs to make them glossy, juicy, and irresistibly delicious. The thighs are perfectly cooked, golden on the outside and tender on the inside. Let them sit for 5 minutes before serving. For freshness, we are going to make some kachumbari. Squeeze in some fresh lemon juice to brighten the salad. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Mix until everything is well combined. By now, the potato wedges should be done. They are crispy on the outside, soft and fluffy on the inside, and full of flavor. Now let's serve. Start with a handful of the herby crispy potatoes, add the juicy pan-seared chicken thighs, then spoon over the fresh zesty cucumber kachumbari on the side for a perfect balanced dinner bowl. Simple, colorful, and absolutely delicious. Want more quick homemade meals? Head over to my balanced bowl playlist. I've got plenty lined up for you. See you there.